Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Motors, and make sure to subscribe to MK Motors for the latest updates on luxury vehicles, powerful machines and exclusive automotive reviews. Today we are diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Mercedes-Benz G400D model that continues the iconic G-Wagon legacy with refined diesel power, enhanced features and signature rugged luxury design. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz G400D is all about combining off-road strength with top-notch comfort and advanced technology. This diesel variant of the G-Class delivers impressive torque and efficiency wrapped in a bold, timeless exterior. The G400D features a 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine that produces around 330 horsepower and 700 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring a commanding driving experience whether you are cruising on the highway or tackling difficult terrains. The 9-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth gear transitions and optimizes performance for both city and off-road driving with permanent all-wheel drive and 3 locking differentials. The G400D handles extreme conditions with ease, making it a true go-anywhere luxury SUV. The chassis and suspension are tuned to provide a balance between rugged durability and road comfort, giving drivers the best of both worlds. From the outside, the G400D retains the classic G-Wagon boxy silhouette that enthusiasts love, featuring bold lines, round LED headlamps and a modernized front grille. While it honors its heritage, the 2026 model includes aerodynamic tweaks and fresh alloy wheel designs, adding to its road presence and style factor. The build quality remains exceptional with a sturdy frame, high ground clearance and solid doors that reaffirm its legendary durability. Inside, the G400D luxury meets utility. The cabin is loaded with premium materials including Napa leather, metal accents and fine wood trims. The new infotainment system is powered by the latest MBUX interface, displayed on dual 12 3-inch high-resolution screens with voice command touchscreen and touchpad controls. It ensures intuitive connectivity for navigation, music and vehicle settings. The sound system is crisp, the seats are supportive and heated, and the ambient lighting system lets you tailor the mood of your ride. In terms of safety, the G400D is equipped with multiple driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, active brake assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and a 360-degree camera. The SUV also benefits from reinforced crash protection systems, ensuring maximum safety in various driving environments. For families and adventure seekers alike, the cargo space is generous and practical. The rear seats fold down to expand storage, and the wide-opening tailgate allows for easy loading whether you are headed for a weekend trip or hauling gear. The G400D adapts to your lifestyle with ease. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz G400D is the perfect blend of diesel performance, legendary off-road capability and luxurious comfort. It stands out as a premium SUV that